Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to transfer or withdraw your money from your cash app to your bank account, then this video is for you. So in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide how you can just transfer or withdraw money from your cash app to direct your bank account. So let's jump into the video. So first you have to do is open your Cash App. Now from here you can find the withdraw button. Once you are on the Cash App, or you can click on this balance. Now you can find the withdraw button. Simply click on withdraw. Now once you have clicked on withdraw, you can enter the amount you want to withdraw. After entering the amount, you can simply click on withdraw. Then it will ask that how you want to withdraw to your external bank that you have already linked. You can go with the standard or the instant. So instant have a certain fee on depend on your amount that you want to transfer. Now select one of the option from here. Once you have selected it, simply click on done. Make sure your bank account is added. If it's not added, then you can find your wallet option here, where you will be able to add your bank account, or you can scroll a little down where you can find your bank accounts, where you will be able to add your bank account that will be used to transfer money or deposit money to your Cash App. So that's how you can just simply do it, and it's pretty easy. Hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to add or enter a perfect or correct PIN code that you have set on your Cash App. That's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.